Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In today's video, we will show you how to replace lost card on Wells Fargo. We will also put links in the description below for various banks that offer various sign-up bonuses for opening a checking account. To start, open the website wellsfargo.com, then sign on with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Accounts. On the drop-down list, you will see a section that says Manage Cards. Under Manage Cards, you will see an option that says Replace My Card. Click on Replace My Card. Next, select the card you wish to replace. After that, select the reason for replacement. In this video, we are going to choose Lost. Then click on Continue. On this page, review the shipping details. It will automatically set the delivery address to the address on file. If you wish to change it, click on the text that says One-Time Shipping Address. Once reviewed and if everything looks good, click on Confirm. If your digital wallet is linked to your lost card, read through this page to learn which actions to take about it. To proceed, click on Continue. That's how you replace your lost card on Wells Fargo. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.